Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about the latest collaboration between KathleenLights and ColourPop. This is a special limited edition collection just for holiday, and it's called Twinkling Lights. The Twinkling Lights collection is launching today, December 12th. I'm gonna do my very best to get this video up as early as possible so that you can see everything in action before you purchase the collection. You've probably already seen these things in action because you've probably already watched Kathleen's video. If you haven't, I will put a link to her video down in the description box so that you can check that out as well. But I'm going to be swatching everything. I'm also going to do a quick tutorial using 3 out of the 4 Super Shock shadows. I don't know the exact launch time for this. ColourPop hasn't officially announced it yet as of the time I'm filming this video, but they tend to launch things around 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so I'm betting that's when this collection will go live. I'm not 100% positive, but as soon as I get more information, I will keep updating the description box, so make sure you check there for the latest info. There are 8 pieces in this collection. They will be sold in bundles as well as individually. Let's start with the lips. There are 4 liquid lipsticks in this collection. There's 1 ultra matte, 1 ultra satin, and 2 ultra glossy lips. The prices have not been officially announced. ColourPop hasn't released them, and Kathleen did not mention the prices in her video. I'm guessing that these products will be priced exactly like all the other ColourPop products. So the ultra mattes and ultra satins are $6.50 US a piece, and the ultra glossy lips are $6 a piece. I'm guessing that the bundle with all 4 will be around the $20 mark. The ultra matte and ultra satin in this collection have the typical small doe foot applicator, and the ultra glossy lips have the little teeny tiny brush applicator. All of the lip products have special packaging. The Super Shock shadows just have the standard white pots that all the other Super Shocks come in. So you're only getting special edition packaging on the actual product with the lips, but everything in this collection has special outer packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the lip swatches now, and then we'll get into the Super Shocks. Now let's talk about the Twinkling Lights Super Shock foursome. I love the Super Shock formula. Every time they come out with new shades, I am just so here for it, and I am definitely here for this. Like I just mentioned, there is special outer packaging for these Super Shocks, but there is not special packaging on the little pots themselves. I would have liked to see this pinky purple color carried over onto the pots. Don't you think that would be pretty if the pots were this color? Either way, I love Super Shock shadows, so I'm really excited for 4 new shades. 3 out of the 4 are ultra metallics, and then there's 1 ultra satin. So no mattes, no glitters in this collection, although some of these ultra metallics do end up being quite glittery once they're applied. Just going based on the prices that ColourPop has used for previous releases, I'm assuming that the individual Super Shocks will be $5 a piece, and I'm guessing that the foursome will be around $18. Here are the swatches of all 4 new Super Shock shadow shades. First up is the satin finish. This one's called Glisten. This is a really soft peachy pink. Next we have Light Up. This one is super sparkly. It's a very beautiful peachy gold. Another ultra metallic. This one's called Vela. And this is an interesting shade. It's very deceptive just depending on what light you look at it in. It's a very shifty rosy mauve, but I think it ends up looking a lot more pink on the eye. Lastly, we have Blitzen. This is a super metallic corally red. So bright and beautiful. Now that you've seen all the swatches of the Super Shock shadows, let's jump into a really quick, easy tutorial. I'll show you how I got this eye look I'm wearing today, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. Overall, I really enjoy this little collection. I think it's a great answer for those who did not think that the full ColourPop holiday collection was holiday enough. Between the special packaging and the like sparkly reddish glitter gold kind of tones that are coming through in the shades that Kathleen chose, this is a lot more like traditional holiday look, but I still think it feels very Kathleen with the peachy tones, the red lip, really warm eyeshadow. These are all things that I think are in line with Kathleen's personal aesthetic. So I like that this is a cross between a more traditional holiday collection, yet something that feels very true to her style. I really like this shade called Little Star, but it's in my least favorite finish. This is the Ultra Matte, and those are just a little bit too dry for me. I actually really like this red as well. This one's called Lucky Star. This is in the satin finish. I wish that these were both Ultra Satins and then they would both be my favorite. I'm just a fiend for Super Shocks. If you've seen any of my other videos or any of my Instagram posts, then you know this to be true. So the Super Shocks are definitely my pick from the collection. But I do think it's all beautiful. I think Kathleen and ColourPop just knocked it out of the park once again. I always love her collections, and this one is no exception. Kathleen mentioned in her reveal video that this is extremely limited just to holiday. She made it seem like once it sells out, they're not going to restock. So if you are interested in anything from this collection, I would not wait on it. I kind of hate that feeling, that pressure that extremely limited edition things put on us as consumers, but I do just want to make it known I don't think they're going to restock this, so if you want it, you better go get it. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this collection. Which pieces are your favorites? Which shades are calling your name? Is this holiday enough for you? Leave a comment and let us know what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Awkward sauce. Maybe you should figure that out before you film it. The price. Who? What? Huh? No. No. Oh boy. Let's zoom. Zoom it in. I feel like everyone's gonna use Blitzen in their tutorials, so I didn't. But then everybody's probably gonna say, I wish you used that red shade. I don't know, I like this really soft peachy look. It's pretty. It's my vibe, okay? It's my vibe. Woman, pull it together. Oh. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Let's know. Okay, it's super pretty, but I would just never wear a color like this. That's just personal choice. I mean, I think it's really pretty, and if somebody does wear it, I'd probably see them and be like, awesome lip gloss. But it's so glittery, and I can like feel the glitter on my lips, and I just don't like that feeling. What's with all the glitter glosses? Everybody's doing them right now, and they're pretty, I get it. They're so shiny, and I love shiny things, but they just feel like glitter on my lips, and I just like, oh, I can't be the only one that's not a fan of that feeling. Maybe I am, I don't know. Oh, it's just so matte. It's too matte for me. My dry winter lips can't handle it.